Hi, I'm Max Van from SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to talk about the brand new limited edition 2020 Marc Marquez boots. So I was receiving items today, and I had never seen this certain colorway on the box, so I just decided to open them up and see what they were. And they were these just kick-ass Marc Marquez boots that I had never seen before. And I don't know, I'm just really attracted to them because look at how bright they are and just the graphics. And honestly, they're named after the coolest rider in the world at the moment. When I saw these boots, I immediately came down to my dad's office and I told him that I would buy a pair and that I would pay full price, but he said no. So if any of you guys want to buy a set of these boots in a size 44, it would be much appreciated, and if just DM me on Instagram and I'll send you my address and all that, and we'll be all good. Remember, these boots are very limited edition, so get them while you can, and I'll see you guys in the next video.